People, just now I saw the kind of views some of my other videos got that I uploaded just a day ago. Thank you, people. Oh my god, this feels so special. Yeah, thank you. Like, seriously. So that's what in this video, this is my second video of the day, and I spoke of the fact that I'll tell you the benefits of a amethyst stone and the moonstone. Now, people, amethyst is supposed to be an intuitive stone. Like, for a short while, I was actually like a professional tarot card reader. I mean, whatever. I used to actually have clients coming and meeting me, and and I was doing it, and I was actually enjoying the whole process, because intuition is also some kind of muscle. I've come to believe that that the more you exercise your intuition, the sharper it gets. But that's what but only thing I realized, to want to continue in that field, you should not have other distractions. You should be able to devote your time and life to that. So anyway, right now that I'm speaking about the amethyst stone, which helps in intuition, and moonstone, they say, calms the mind, and with the calm mind, the world is yours to conquer. So that's what people, so that's, and they say, if you wear this near your heart chakra, that has a very calming effect, on this thing. So I know it's a crash course in astrology only, literally, but anyway, so that was the thing. And of course, crystals are like, they say diamonds are like the highest form of crystal. So we can't really walk around with a like a diamond necklace thing, but crystal is good enough. So all this helps to calm the mind. There are some people, yeah, like they have a very calm face, like I had a classmate in I studied in this place called CFL. Now it's called FLU, English and Foreign Language University. I know it sounds like swine flu or something, FLU, but it's very well known, amazing place in Tarnaka. All my audience is Hyderabadi, so basically. So anyway, so that's what. So this friend always had a very calm expression, and I remember she used to wear this big stone, like it was a moonstone. So I asked her, how are you so calm? So she actually pointed to the stone and said, this. So of course that was a bit of a exaggeration, but we can't negate the fact that wearing stones, I've seen personally that it actually makes a difference. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.